everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making buffalo shrimp. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need shrimp, buffalo sauce, eggs, butter, cornstarch, flour, seasoned oil, cayenne pepper, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Begin by peeling and deveining the shrimp. Leave the tail on. Season shrimp to taste with seasoned oil, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. In a separate bowl, add 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of buffalo sauce, and whisk. In another bowl, add 1 cup of flour and a half cup of cornstarch. Season to taste with seasoned oil, black pepper, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Coat the shrimp with egg wash, then flour. Fry shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes or until golden. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add 1 cup of buffalo sauce and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Toss the shrimp in the buffalo sauce. And there you have it, buffalo shrimp. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.